Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to test a 5-wire oxygen sensor. First, gather your essential tools: a digital multimeter, a wiring diagram specific to your vehicle, and a back probe kit. It's crucial to ensure your engine is at its normal operating temperature for the most accurate readings. Once prepared, locate the oxygen sensor and its 5-wire connector, which is typically found in the exhaust system. Next, consult your vehicle's wiring diagram to accurately identify the power and ground wires for the oxygen sensor's heater circuit. With the ignition turned on, use your multimeter to check for approximately 12 volts of power at the heater circuit's power wire. Simultaneously, confirm a solid ground connection for the heater circuit. These initial checks are vital for ensuring the sensor's heating element is receiving proper power. Now, let's focus on the signal and reference voltage wires. Using your wiring diagram, pinpoint these crucial connections. The reference voltage wire should typically show a steady reading of about 2.5 volts with the ignition on. As the engine runs, carefully observe the signal voltage wire. A properly functioning sensor will exhibit rapid fluctuations in voltage, indicating it's actively monitoring oxygen levels in the exhaust gases. Finally, disconnect the oxygen sensor completely and measure the resistance of its heater circuit using your multimeter. Compare this resistance reading against the manufacturer's specifications, which can usually be found in your vehicle's service manual. A reading that falls outside the specified range, whether too high or too low, strongly suggests a faulty heater element within the sensor, requiring replacement for optimal engine performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.